So viewer, let's have an Albania virtual tour. Albania is a mountainous country located at the southwestern part of Europe. It has a coastline of 362 kilometers and EEZ of 13,691 square kilometers. It has one of the oldest lakes in the world, the Lake Ohrid, which has its own native fish fauna: Ohrid trout, Salmo letnica and Belvica Salmo ohidanis. It is gifted with 247 natural lakes with a total surface area of 1,210 square kilometers. The largest lake is Lake of Shakoda, 530 square kilometers. The longest river is Drin, 335 kilometers. These inland fishery resources contribute 25% of the total fishery volumes. Main contributors are Chinese carps, roaches, mullets and European perch. Aquaculture sector contributed 50% of the total fish production in 2020, with major contributions from sea bass, sea bream, rainbow trout, mussel and carps among the 10 cultured aquaculture species. Major culture systems include marine cage for sea bass and sea bream, raceway for trout, floating lines for mussel. Sea bass and sea bream accounts for almost 80% of the total aquaculture volumes in 2020. Marine fisheries are divided into commercial industrial fisheries and commercial artisanal fisheries. There are 8 large coastal lagoons with a total area of 10,600 hectares support commercial fisheries, and forms integral part of the country's coastal ecosystems. Trawling, purse seining, hook and line, fixed, trammel and gill nets are the important gears used. In 2020, total landings amounted 4,521 tons with major contribution from deep-water rose shrimp, Parapaneus longirostris, European hake, European pilchard, and Surmulets knee. The fish processing industry is found along the main ports of the country. In 2020, they had 28 fish processing plants exporting processed anchovy, sardine and other small pelagic fishery worth over 45 million euros. About 90% of the seafood export from Albania is towards EU countries, with Italy taking half, followed by Sweden and Spain. Marinated mollusks and canned sardines are the major export commodities. Albanian fish consumption is limited to the coastal regions, wherein 70% prefer wild-caught seafood compared to farmed fish. The average household fish consumption stands at 5.3 kilograms. The fisheries and aquaculture sector contributes 0.3% of the country's GDP, but plays a major role maintaining in the socio-economic status of the country. Share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.